Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. You're going to love today's video because I'm going to show you some beautiful vacation and party wear outfits that I picked up from Amazon lately. And since the Amazon's wardrobe refresh sale is just around the corner, so you'll be able to buy this all for amazing discounts. So yeah, let's get started with the haul. And before we begin, make sure that you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and please subscribe to my channel as well. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video. So yeah, let's hop on to the haul. So in no particular order, I'm going to show you the one that I love the most. This is a sequin dress, and I am partial towards everything to do with sequins. Now this is a beautiful knee length dress almost. It actually comes till my thighs just because I'm tall, and you have to see the quality of the sequin. It is very tightly packed because earlier I have bought sequin dresses that were very sparse, scattered, so the effect was not very nice. But this is very tightly packed, and you get a comfortable lining inside, so the sequins don't rub against your skin. Now I'm going to mention the prices and everything on the screen so you can just have a look, and all the buying links are given in the description box. The next purchase is an item which I am totally excited to try, and this is a pleated skirt. Now this is from a brand called Uptowny. I found this brand on Amazon, and I picked up this dress from the same brand in my previous Amazon haul, and it turned out to be so pretty in real life, and it also got me so many compliments. And this one also is from the same brand. This is also emerald green, and this dress was also emerald green. So this has beautiful pleats, and just look at the material. It's just so glamorous, and it also looks very expensive, but it is very affordable, guys. You just cannot believe. I'm going to mention all the prices on the screen, and the best part is that it is available, I think, in 9 to 10 colors. So you have burgundy, you have purple, I think, you have red, black, so many different colors, rich colors. And to go with the skirt, I picked up this beautiful and simple top by this brand called Illy London. Now this is a made in India brand. Since my shoulders are a little broad, I love wearing these intricately done blouses with details on the sleeves, just because I think it accentuates my shoulders broadness. Even the neck is quite broad, so you can pair it up with a beautiful broad necklace, just to kind of complete the entire look of an evening out. Moving ahead with the haul, I picked up this beautiful and elegant necklace by the brand called Shining Diva. I've picked up so many artificial and imitation jewelry earlier from Shining Diva. It does some really beautiful costume jewelry, and I think I can pair it up with this top. And since we are talking about vacation wear, the next item that I'm going to show you is a definite vacation wear. I bought this beautiful dress by this brand called 20 Dresses. Now this is a very famous brand, and it does some really beautiful pieces, especially dresses. And look at the make, it is just so gorgeous. You have these uneven flares, and the cut, it goes till almost my lower thigh. Besides outfits and fashion jewelry, I never knew that Amazon also has a beautiful collection of footwear, and I found these tied up string footwear which goes very well with summery and vacation dresses. Now this has these unique pom-poms which makes it even more summery. I got this one for really affordable price. I'm going to mention it somewhere on the screen. I think it was for 300 rupees or 350 rupees, which is just so amazing. Now let's see what's next. Any guesses? Well, again, it's a dress. Just because I'm such a dress person, I chose this dress just because it is so unique to look at. Just look at the combination. You have these black, grey and white colors that are paired against bright neon orange. I think this is such an interesting combination. Even the make of this dress is very flattering. I think, especially if you have curves as I have, this is really going to complement your curves and the entire body. I really like the color, this orange, because it is one of the colors that you usually wear in summer and this season, when the monsoons are just around the corner. So my my angels, this is all for today's haul. Amazon just never fails to amaze me with the huge variety it has, right from footwear to fashion jewelry to outfits and whatnot. And if you are a hair enthusiast as I am, you need to check out my next video because I will be ordering some really interesting and weird hairstyling tools from Amazon and trying them out on my hair in real time. I plan to buy some curlers, some heatless curlers and some other hair accessories. So yeah, next time it's going to be very interesting because I'm going to order them and try them out on my hair. So make sure that you check out my next video and I'll see you all very soon. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.